Hello friends, my name is Yvette of Yvette Creates, and I am a part of the Not Too Shabby Shop design team. Today I'm going to be playing with the February 2024 box of the month. Let me show you what comes in that box. Jamie always includes a sweet treat and a little extra something. So in this month's box, I got these clear enamel dots and coordinating ephemera for each of the paper pads. The box also includes 3 stamp sets. And just look how cute these are! The first stamp set is the Tween Stamp Set and has this adorable little bird and little cluster of flowers and little birdhouse. Very cute. We also have the Boho Rainbow Builder. I like all of the wonderful sentiments on this one, and building a rainbow is so easy. The third stamp set is the Rainbow Note Stamp Set, and I like this image because you could actually cut this out and make this a little bookmark if you wanted. Now, speaking of cutting out stamped images, there are coordinating dies available for purchase. Now, I'll be sure to link to the Not Too Shabby shop in the description box below. I'm going to flip quickly through each of the paper pads so you can see all the beautiful patterned paper in each one. I will also put a picture of the coordinating ephemera on screen for you. Okay friends, I've decided I'm going to use the Tween patterned paper with coordinating ephemera. I will also use a sentiment from the Tween Stamp Set. So I went ahead and flipped through this paper pad and chose this pretty pink patterned paper for my card. I'm not going to use a sketch today. I'm simply going to cut a panel at 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches and then use the 2-inch strip that's left over to place on the larger panel of patterned paper. Now, I don't know about you, but I usually have a real hard time choosing which ephemera to use because all of the ephemera is just so cute. So here I'm just cutting into my patterned paper and laying it out to see how I like it before I choose my ephemera. I didn't really like how the reverse side of the pink paper looked on the pink paper, so I pulled out this pretty paper with rainbows on it and the green on the reverse side. So I'm going to cut it in the same dimensions as I did my first piece. And then I'll just use the 2-inch piece with the rainbows onto the pink panel, and I'll use the 2-inch piece with the birdhouses on the green panel. Now that I have my panels laid out how I like them, I can go ahead and decide which pieces of ephemera I want to use. Now, there are a couple of circles in the ephemera pack that you can use to stamp an image or a sentiment, or just use as a little background for other pieces of ephemera. But I decided to use the circles for my sentiment. And then I'll just layer some ephemera on that circle as well. I am using gray card bases, and because of that, I'll have some white panels that I put on the inside of the cards. You'll see those in a bit. I decided to use some of my Love from Lizzie peel-offs to give a little bit of separation between the 2 pieces of patterned paper, and I think that really does help to make the second patterned paper stand apart from the background patterned paper. Once I have those peel-offs on there, I'm going to go ahead and attach the panel to my card base. Then I can go ahead and add all of my ephemera to the card panel. Now I am going to pop up the circle with a sentiment using some foam tape just to give a little bit of dimension on our card. Now that I have the front of my card all done, I am going to go ahead and use that extra strip of pattern paper from each sheet I used and add it to the white panel for the inside of my card, and also add another small piece of ephemera to coordinate the inside of my card to the front of my card. So there you have my 2 completed cards using the Sew Tweet paper pad, coordinating ephemera, and coordinating stamp set from the February 2024 box of the month. I hope I was able to provide you with some inspiration on how to use these beautiful papers, stamps, and ephemera. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Until next time, bye!